Hello, if you want to draw on photos on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, one thing that you can do is open Files by Google. This is one of the default apps that you can use in order to draw on photos. And of course you want to open any photo that you want to edit. Then over here in the bottom right corner we have this pen icon, we can tap on it in order to start editing. And then over here we need to move to markup. We have the pen, we can choose the color, and then we can draw something on our screen, and that's pretty much it. We can also redo or actually erase what we have drawn recently by using this arrow over here in the middle, and then once you are done with your drawing you can simply press done and then you can save the copy. Now in addition to that, you can also use another app, that is Photos by Google, and you will find the same option over here. At the bottom we have the edit button, you can press it and you have the same menu, so all you need to do is switch to markup and do the same thing. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!